Good morning. Good morning. Wanted to jump on and share with you guys some exciting new products that we're actually going to be launching on Black Friday. So for those of you guys who had an opportunity to watch the new YouTube video, these are going to be launching on Black Friday. These are the new Young Nails clay creams, right? So what I wanted to share with you is basically what these look like and how they apply. They're absolutely amazing. So the first thing you're going to notice when you open this, right, is the consistency. I mean, they are literally like clay, right? So the advantage is when you're applying them over the surface. I just want to be able to show you guys when you're taking this out. Look at that. That consistency is so beautiful. These are going to be launching on Black Friday. I really wanted to showcase not only what they look like inside the jar, but how well they apply over the surface of acrylics, over the surface of hard gels. They could be used in combination with gel polishes. They are going to be absolutely spectacular. So we have these launching. For those of you who are following Young Nails and use Young Nails, once you start working with these clay creams, it's really going to change all levels of application because it could be used for everything. So I just wanted to be able to highlight the black. I mean, it's ridiculous. It doesn't move, and you're going to notice when you're applying it to the surface. And again, you're going to be able to apply this to the surface of hard gel. You're going to be able to apply this to the surface of acrylic. So if you're applying it over natural nails, you're going to have to put it over a base gel. But I just wanted to be able to show you a little bit goes such a long way. That right there is the first coat. And you're going to notice that when you put it on, they don't move. They really stand still. It is absolutely next generation technology that we're bringing to market. We've partnered with the right chemist who helped us achieve this level of perfection with these gels. And again, I'm only giving you guys just a highlight to what's coming. These nude colors will be coming in line. Let me show you what this is. Absolutely unbelievable. This is dumplings. And, again, you're going to see the level of consistency. I'm going to be able to, again, scoop it out like clay. And then when I'm working it down over the surface, it basically stays where you put it. So I'm going to be able to get this on. So you're going to be able to order it on www.youngnails.com. These will be available for Black Friday. They're going to retail, I think, for $10.95 each. But here's the thing. On Black Friday, you're going to be able to get an additional 30% off. And then again, if you can get that text code off of Twitch, we'll be posting that text code. So for those of you guys that are in the United States, you guys will be able to get an additional 5% off, which is going to be amazing. But I really wanted to get in here and highlight just not only the pigmentation, but how they apply. You can see I'm using, again, my master gel brush. I'm going to be able to come in. I'm going to be able to get a nice gentle amount on one side of my brush. And then
will these be a kit or?
These will be sold individually, but we've got a lot of exciting new things. Someone asked if it was going to be a kit. There's a lot of new products that are coming. I can't tell you all of the colors, but I can tell you that there's a lot of really exciting new things where you guys will be able to really make a lot of money. I mean, take a look at this nude. This is Sunday Funk. Again, the consistency is unlike anything. I mean, it comes out like absolute butter and applies like absolute silk. You're going to be able to see the level of intensity when I'm applying it just over the surface of these plastic displays. Look at that.
Are you going to have mystery boxes this year?
We are going to have mystery boxes. Someone asked that question. Mystery boxes will be available in large, medium, and small. The large mystery box is you're going to get $500 worth of product for $100. And there's a medium mystery box. You're going to be able to get basically, I think it's almost 100. What would you say? About $150 worth of product for 50. And then the small mystery box is going to be $30. And that's $100 value. So, this one right here, this is second favorite. I think is this the brightest white? Yes, it is.
Second favorite is going to be your cream. Oh, no.
Second favorite is going to be the intense white. So you're going to be, or this is the cream white. I'll be able to show you guys both. I mean, is this the cream? This is beautiful. I mean, like having a really nice, subtle cream white that you're going to be able to apply over the surface is just amazing. And the best part about this too is when you apply them, because the pigmentation, they don't bunch up or leave ledges, which is amazing. I just want to be able to show you guys the white. I would say a lot of whites have a hard time getting great coverage, but you're going to notice with, and this is Secret Menu, you're going to notice how beautiful this coverage is. And when you're applying a white, you don't want it to separate. I mean, look at that. The coverage is absolutely amazing. It doesn't bunch up. A lot of these nude colors are launching. Let me give you guys a preview to business joggers. This is we have distribution in Europe, so we definitely will be launching the product in the European market with our distributors. But in the US for Black Friday, this will be launching online. We wanted to be able to launch these colors individually because we feel that a lot of professionals out there are going to be able to, this color is just spectacular. These nude colors are going to be the most popular. All I can tell you is that when you pick them up and you apply them, you're just going to love the fact that you don't have to worry about applying such a thin coat. You just put it on and they apply thin, right? You don't have to worry about, like with a lot of gel polishes, because some of the transparency issues when you're applying them, you don't get really, really great coverage. So I just want to be able to show you guys. I would use a full light, but this is our mounting light that we use for our full well tips. I'm just going to expose the surface of these, and you can even see just by keeping this under the lamp, look at that, it's already set. They cure so fast, and they cure extremely thin. I mean, the layer of black that I put on, that's just one coat. The cure time, I recommend curing for a full 60 seconds, but it takes only about 30 seconds to freeze. So when you're actually applying that, I'm going to be doing a lot of work showing you guys how you're going to be able to get these dialed in. But again, you can see just by exposing it to the outside light, they're set, they're beautiful. They're going to apply with absolute precision and thinness. This color right here is frothy, and you can see like this beautiful nude. Just gonna come in, get myself these creams.
Plenty of these and mystery boxes to go around this time for the East Coast.
Yeah. So for those of you, someone was asking, are there going to be plenty of mystery boxes? We've prepared a lot. We, again, are going to build out quite a few, but I still, I always say this to everybody, don't wait. If you have an opportunity, get the mystery boxes right when we launch. They're going to be
6 p.m. Central,
Yeah.
9 p.m. Eastern. We do
so
that, so
6 p.m. Central, 9 p.m. Eastern. Look at that color, right? This looks like Pink 106 in the Manicure line. These are going to be spectacular. Last but not least, let me just go ahead and grab Sad. You can put this over acrylic. You could put this over acrylic. You're going to be able to put this over hard gel. This nude is like a very sheer color. The color line, and we have to really thank Tracy for this because she really worked hard on picking out this beautiful color selection. We wanted to ensure that you guys were going to get beautiful nude colors that everybody is going to love. Excuse me. Remember, the night of November 20th is the Big Young Nails Black Friday sale. You guys are going to be able to get a hold, and this is just a sneak peek to the cream clays that we're going to be launching. Really fired up about all the new products and all the exciting new things that were coming out. Appreciate you guys. And again, if you guys have any questions, hit us up. We're always here to help. Want to make sure that you guys are getting dialed in with not only the best products, but the best education in the nail industry. Peace.
Subscribe channel now. Subscribe channel now. Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel